Kamusta ang pagkain niya?
Very good.
Yung... Kamusta ang pagkain mo, Ate Jem?
Sarap.
Sarap? Ganon, sarap? Wow, sarap naman ang almusal mo dyan. Donya.
Ang view.
Ang ganda ng view. Oh, ang masasabi mo sa view mo habang kumakain ng almusal sa ating hotel?
Wala akong masabi.
Very good, very good. Kain tayo. Madilim.
Kahit sa usapang siguro, papasarap.
Dapat yung mga foods nila.
Batang yun.
Yan. Ito naman ang view ng dalawang pogi na yan. Alright. Breakfast game. Good morning. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? สบายดีไหมครับ
Yeah.
สบายดีไหม It means how are you?
How are you?
You have to say crap and cough. This is like short
Crap.
madam. Politely. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีค่ะ and then the second one ขอบคุณขอบคุณ
ขอบคุณ
ครับสวัสดี and ขอบคุณ thank you
Thank
say
you.
hello and
ขอบ
thank
คุณ
you we did same
Beautiful place here in Thailand.
243 years
She is our tour guide.
Myanmar.
Tingnan nyo kung gaano kayaman ang Thailand.
So
Tingnan nyo naman, yung mga king nila. Ayan, tsaka yung
it's
queen,
amazing
no?
with the king.
Wow, ganda. The
Thailand
best.
kings. Why Thai people love
Oh,
him very
look
much?
at that.
Because the family.
Beautiful.
Many people bully kings. That's why he have so not trust anyone outside family.
Palagi sila
Son
may ganun.
will be learning how to fighting, learning for. The back can show you money.
Ang ganda nito.
Okay, like this one, the Royal Highness Temple. Royal Highness Temple. King.
Beautiful.
Icon Siam. Icon Siam. Last night you saw Icon
Amazing.
Siam, right? That one the king's.
This one is also a king's land of Thailand.
3,900 project. Another 4.
Yan, pupunta tayo sa palasyo ng Thailand. Mama, are you happy? Ha? Oh, it's too hot. Woo, yeah. Ooh, see that? Ate Jam bout. Hey Jam. Morrison. What can you say about the palace of Thailand?
Sa Matika
Yung sa mantika, yung noo mo.
Palace, beautiful. That's design, architecture, so beautiful,
Alright,
Okay.
beautiful. Look at the monks. This is the whole beauty of this palace. So, ayan, hindi umubra yung ano ni Mama dito dahil bawal ang naka-mini skirt. That's why she's wearing Thailand dress. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes.
Okay. Ticket yung papasok. Sale.
Ay.
Yung wawala ha.
This one is the ticket before we move inside. What did you observe? The other part of this palace is under construction, right?
Part of the palace.
Part of the palace.
Is,
Still? Okay.
Palace under construction. The palace is under construction and construction
But
practice.
it looks so beautiful. Look, 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 look.
It's
Oh,
modern.
God.
It's modern.
Yeah, wow.
Classic.
Amazing.
Modern in
Inantak si Mama.
modern in process of construction,
Yes,
and the materials are also modern.
it's also modern.
Yeah, but the
But still they
architecture it maintained the classic and the ancientness of the design. So,
very good
Shaolin
person.
dito.
Yes,
Yung Shaolin.
the one you see.
Napukugpo.
They're all Shaolin. Yeah.
Ito yung
We have a tour guide here in Thailand. Oh, Mama. Saan ka maglalaba? Wow! Look at that! Oh, Kuya John is enjoying the place.
Malapit dito tayo.
Yes. Woo. Init ah. Andun mamaya. Guys, nahuli kami kasi pinagpipicture ko si Bunso pero yung kuha niya sa akin at a little bit palpak. A little bit not happy for his shots. Alright, baby? Baby!
Opo, boss.
Alright. I am the boss of
In the
him.
phone, not your watch now, okay? Watching your phone. You're crossing
Nakapayong.
the ferry.
Nakapayong sa Thailand.
Wow.
Driver pick up us here. This one,
Wow.
what a road. This one, what?
Best
Po, the
student.
reclining Buddha temple. Both
Best
temple is
student.
very old.
This is the one I saw there. Expensive architectural.
This one too.
Best student.
Right now,
I don't.
listen, this is the Grand Palace. After
Look at the...
we are moving to here. This is 243 years.
Wow.
This
Ayan, dito yung bilihan ng mga souvenir nila. Dahil may tour guide kami, hindi kami kalat-kalat.
Original.
Ayan, ito yung mga bilihan nila.
Matika.
We are now entering for this palace. Wow!
Okay, so right now this is what in temple we have three sections. This one center pagoda, the heaven. The other side, Buddha image, original.
Yeah!
In the past, ready not allow upstairs.
Ay sorry. Akit na! So, dito akit tayo. Titingnan natin what is inside in this temple, right, Marson? Where did you get that red?
Tinatakan ako ko.
It's okay. It's okay. Ikot tayo, be. 1, be. Tingin, 1, 2, 3. Ikot.
Nasapok yung mukha, no?
Alright. So nice. You want to be... You want to be king? A King Kong. You want to be King Kong of this palace? In this palace? Oh, let's go there. Yes. Give vlog.
Very, very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Structure. Yeah.
Structure. You're right.
You're
You're right. You're so beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, so high. So high.
Demon monkey is like this.
It represents what?
Alternate represents.
It represents what?
This
The
is
demon.
like
The demon.
Demon and monkeys. This one is mean the all details here in Ramayana story
Alright.
in Hindu Bible.
We saw
Hindu
in the
Bible.
dinner cruise some like two
Yes,
characters,
the dancing.
Hana Moon and Nang Matcha.
Yeah.
Nang Matcha.
We saw that last
Matcha
night.
is fish. The queens of fish like a mermaid. Mermaid in Thai architecture is matcha. So mermaid in the European, this mean mermaid, right? But Thai, like last night you saw, same.
Woo, si Merson, ang aking, he is my photographer today. Today's video.
I am her student photographer. Ate is my teacher. Can you teach me how to?
Who is your teacher?
Ma'am Crisel Bistan.
Alright.
Yeah. Is it right?
Yes, very good.
Okay,
Alright.
very good.
So, this is
plus?
the day 2
What is
of
my
our
grade?
tour. If I will give you a grade, 99.
Oh!
Fast learner.
Fast
You're a
learner.
fast learner.
Good.
So today is the day 2 of our tour here in
Hey.
Bangkok, Thailand.
Kala ko Japan.
Are you happy?
Yeah, very, very
Alright,
happy.
very happy.
Mantika.
Sa mantika yung umbaw, bunso.
Together there.
You know?
That second.
Magtita. Tingin ka doon ba ulit? Sa akin nakatingin eh. Akit tayo. Yan, nakit tayo dito. Maganda-gandang ano to? Workout to. Oh, tingnan. Good workout. Good workout. Ayan o, taas. I'm in the level 2. This one is closed. And also this one is closed. Because the gold is there. Alright, sige. Woo, yeah. So, ayan, mga kaballers, napapa...
dito.
Ay, bili tayong nail cutter. Napapalaban tayo sa bilihan.
Bakit hindi ano?
Ay, napalaban ka na ba sa bilihan? Napalaban na kayo sa bilihan? Alright. Ang hirap tumawad. Kung wala kang kasalanan, ang hirap tumawad. Ate Jem, kung wala kang kasalanan, ang hirap tumawad. Ito na, nakarami na tayo. Ano? Eh, si Marso na nangangawit na. Ayan.
Alam niyo po, yung 500
Kamusta yung mga nabili mo? Is it worth it? Is it worth it to buy?
Expensive.
It's a little bit expensive.
But it's beautiful, gorgeous, and fabulous.
Alright. Good.
Respected, yeah.
Yes.
It looks beautiful, very, very beautiful.
Alright.
This one very important.
Oh, okay na yan, bebe. Dito na tayo.
1,000 years
Mainit lang.
on the blue.
Beautiful Taiwan.
This one for 10 king.
Featuring beautiful Thailand. Init lang, init. Pawisin eh. Kami enis.
The one of story in Ramayana story.
Ganda. Ramanaya story. Ayan pala si Ramanaya nung nag-aaral ako. Maambot dito sa Thailand. Dito sa Thailand, umulan. Tara na. Diyan sa Thailand, umulan. Ito na pala si Ramanaya. Pasukin natin yung templo. There. Woo! Umulan talaga. Umulan. Ayan. Ayan na. Let's go! Alright, ma! Tired! Oh, look! Ay.
Ako na yung payong anak ko kunin mo. Tapos yung binili niyo bago, buksan niyo na.
Wow!
Buksan na.
It's so wow! Wow, wow! Sige, lagay mo dito, baby ko. Ah, ito naman bunso na to. Ayan, lagay mo yung plastic bubo. Ah, bunso. Bunso. Hindi bubo, bunso.
May payong ko. Sa kanya.
Kay Potpot!
Here, then you can see the Buddha inside.
Oh, the Buddha.
Inside that one is
Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Yeah. Ooh. Taga-payong ko aba nagbibideo. Ang galing ko, di ba? Gusto ko bilis si Mark. Son, sayaw. Ten. Sayaw, son. Wow, si Mami naka-Thailand. Thailand outfit. Yeah. Oh. Balik. Balik. Init, pawis. Sasakay tayo ng bangka. Tatawid tayo ng kabilang kalawakan. Yan. Sakay tayo. Nagiging malakas na tayo ngayon dahil sa ibang kalawakan tayo sasakay. Let's go. Settle mo. Gatapang, oh. Ayan na.
Welcome aboard.
Wow!
Welcome aboard.
Wow!
Pipicturean tayo.
Pipicturean tayo?
Ayan.
Woo! Nakakatakot. Woo! Nakakatakot. Woo!
Yung mga gamit nyo baka mahulog sa ilog ha.
Pagdalaglag sa'yo ang bibili. Picture. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Tayo, background. Biglang ganun din ang tubig.
Woo! Woo! Baby! Woo! Another ride in water. Enjoy. Don Daniel, enjoy. Woo! Ganda. Hey! Kaya kami kagabi. Yan. Anong sasabi mo?
Sawadika! Kamungka! Guys, gozaimasu! Arigato!
Oh, yung tubig nila, oh. Magalaw. Juga. Jai. Me. Kawai. Saan eh? Wait lang. Amen. Akin na. Sige, tuloy mo kami. Tour. Tuloy mo kami. English only.
It's fine to sit at the engine of the boat. Yeah.
It's good. No.
That's the part.
Boat is moving. Hey. Ay, tumilim na sa inyo. Tumilim. Laging against the light. Wow! The boat is moving.
Very easy. You wear your floating device.
Dito na tayo susunduin. Dito na lang.
Ayan. Bye.
Filipino is very kapatid Filipino. And
Sobrang nakaka-enjoy sa Thailand.
this is my daughter.
Oh, sige again.
My daughter is an architect,
Yan.
but not yet more pastor.
Madaling ka lang talaga kaya Telma. Here in Thailand, so very nice. Jeff, paano ba ako? Nuko.
You throw it to the river.
Here in Thailand,
You throw it. You throw it down.
Here in Thailand, very good.
It's very
Okay.
Very cool. Pinapawisan natin.
if I'm the one who hold it, I will throw it in the river.
Kita mo yung dilim pag bumagsak yan. Pag bumagsak yan, tapos tayo. Ape ka? Init! Transfer na tayo ng ibang lugar naman. Para naman ang ating gagalaan. Ayan sila Mars. Basa-basa na ng pawis yan.
Ama na.
Dali na.
So, ayan. Sabi ko dito, let damay cup. But it's only 60. 60 bucks? 60 bucks? Alright,
The
60
yellow
bucks.
one, the same flavor. Yellow.
This one is for my pamangkin, my
Spicy. I want
niece.
spicy.
Sai and yan. Anak ni Kuya Christian. Bilihan,
Ito
ganda.
spicy pala yung spicy and one. Dapat ba isang spicy lang?
Hindi, puro spicy. Give me another one of this. I'll get two.
Two.
Yeah.
Puro spicy ka?
No. Not
this is
spicy,
mine.
not spicy. Good for kids. All right. Let them make up.
No discount.
No discount?
Yeah. 130. Maya tayo na. This 100? Yeah.
Mommy is buying basalubong. Diyan kayo.
Nice square.
So, andito naman kami sa Chinese temple. Dahil Dragon View.
Chinese is here, fish line.
Ito Dragon
That
din.
is one Hindu. Chinese.
Oh.
Punta tayo sa Platinum Mall. tayo sa Platinum Mall. Mamaya din tayo bibili. Nakikita nyo na yan. Gugutom na kami. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, alas 2 na. Sa Pilipinas, alas 2 na dito. Alauna pala. Advance tayo ng 1 hour. Gutom na. Diyan po tayo. Diyan tayo pupunta.
Tayo para safe.
Diyan tayo pupunta. Platinum Mall. So, going to Platinum Mall. Ayan, tatawid tayo. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda. Ayun oh, naka-ano?
Wala kayo sa Manila.
Naka-elevator.
Tama.
What about in Manila?
It's elevator plus.
Hindi, here in Thailand.
Here in Thailand, it's just escalator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in Manila, you need to.
In Manila, our elevators have a color. Do you know what color it is, Ate Jem? It's rust.
Ayun na. Diyan. Ano?
Rust. Malawang.
Alright, ayun. Dito tayo sa mall ng woo! At magpipicture sila sa gitna ng daan. Sabi niya mamaya na lang pagbalik. Ah, so we are now in Platinum Mall. We will go to 6th floor. Ayan na. Si Marson at saka si Tita Elma. Yun, yung iba. Sunod-sunod talaga yun. At nakahilera. Ajay. Hello, Marson. Platinum Mall. Kakain tayo. Kakain tayo dito, gutom na tayo. Ang daming bilihin dito sa Platinum Mall. Yun o. Bawal tawad dito, lalo't kung wala kang kasalanan. No tawad here. Dito na tayo, punta tayo sa...
Ako rami na mag-game.
Kakain tayo. Dito tayo sa Last Ramen. Gusto namin yung may sabaw. Last Ramen. Huwag kang kakain yan. Last Ramen mo na yan eh.
Last ramen?
Last Ramen. Dito na lahat yung food court. Interview sir. Do you like ramen, sir? Do you want ramen, sir?
Ramen.
Ramen, amen. Okay, that one, Bayoke, that is our hotel here in Thailand. So colorful and beautiful.
Sarap ng kanin.
Sarap. Alright, sarap. Pati ito, napakasarap oh. Isa na eh, masarap. Sarap. Sarap. Kuya, sarap kinakain ma?
Obviously.
Wow.
Bigyan na lang kita doon.
Sarap. Ate Jem. Right.
That's first one of yours, I guess.
This one is for Marson. This one is mine. This is our lunch. What? You know, the manager and the banker. Mamaya dyan tayo kakain. Yan o. Sa sarap ng pagkain nila. Wow, seafoods. Ayan, tayo kumakain. Mamaya dyan tayo kakain o. Ayan, panoodin niya. Tignan niyo. Mahaba o. Long street food. Ayan, lalaki o. Woo, good. Ayan, Marson sasayaw o. Si Marson sasayaw. Shopping time. Dito kaya, Telma.
Hello.
Dito tayo kakain.
Hello na.
Hello na. Hello.
Sila, boss.
Ay, kami dito. Ayan. Dito yan sa Thailand. No? Yung sa kanyang pula. Okay, ito time ko sa Pilipinas. Mag-alas 7 na. Pero dito 5:38 pa lang. Tignan nyo naman, sikat na sikat pa ang araw. Dito tayo kakain ngayon. Hello, kuya. Yan, dito tayo kakain sa labas ng Platinum Mall. After ng mahababang bilihan. Hello, Ame. Ito po si Mama. Titikman niya yung mga insekto. Mama, tikman mo na. Ayan, mga insekto. Scorpion. Grasshopper. Kung saan yan? Try mo.
Hindi, natikman ko na yan.
Ano yan? Patikman mo na.
Ito, natikman ko dyan eh.
Asan? Ayan, kakain daw si Kusane.
Natikman ko na yan.
Ayan, titikman ni Ate Elma yung mga insekto. This is scorpion. Scorpion, ayan. Sige. Grasshopper. Cricket. Bumblebee. Anong gusto mong tikman mo dyan? Sige na, tikman mo na. Ayun na, scorpion no? Ayoko na. Ito, sarap po. Ayun o, scorpion. Tara na nga. Tara. Oy, tara. Diyan kami kumain sa McDo eh. Mamimili lang tayo pasalubong na naman ulit. Again. Dito tayo sa night market ng Thailand today. Gusto tayo kumain kaya mamimili ulit tayo. Hanggat di ubos yung Thailand money natin, huwag kayong titigil, di ba? Yes. Ubos na yung Thailand money mo? One samang stick of rice. Abos na pera namin, abos na pera. Wala kami ginawa kundi bele dito. Nag-i-inchi ka. Wala na. Oo nga eh. Umuwi na tayo. Umuwi tayo, pagod na. Ayan. Ayan na, night market oh. Mahaba yan, mahaba. Mahaba. Malapit lang yan dito sa hotel namin, na? Malapit lang sa hotel natin, no? Yeah. Kasi nga, lobster. We are the center. The center of family here in Thailand ba? Pagbaba mo lang sa mall namin, kahit ano doon mabibili mo. Basta may pera ka, na? So, I am now buying inhaler here in Thailand. A little bit expensive. Pasulubong.
I don't want pee. I don't want pee. I no pee.
Okay.
Go.
See that?
12 times. How many pieces that? 12.
Ayan. Ayan binila ko na kayo sa Thailand I bought this.
Mira. Same. Yeah.
And I need to 1,240. Yes.
Nakabili ako ng ganito.
Magkano?
40 baht.
Ay,
Isa lang. Ito yung itong mismo.
Filipina, alis siya. Filipina, Indonesia. Philippines. Yeah. Yes.
1,000.
Ay, wait.
Where's the 500? What is the color 500?
Okay, 100.
This one.
Ang ganda ng pinili ng pamahid.
Ng ano?
Ng ano, yung masasakit sa katawan.
This one.
Yes. 380 lang, 12 piraso na.
Oh, alright.
Ito, 350 lang, 12. Yes.
Yeah.
Inhaler lang yan eh.
Oo.
Kasi video, ayan binila ko kayo ng pasalubong
Ay,
Mahal
ay, balik na yung call mo
Sige. Bye-bye. Ayan, Sir Delson yung request mo, pinagbigyan na natin kape. Kahit mahal. Pumili pa rin tayo ng kape. Yeah, nandito tayo sa pasalubong ubos pera to. Dito tayo sa bilihan ng pasalubong. Yan, di ba? Oh. Say hi.
Salamat.
Salamat. They know how to speak Tagalog here in Taiwan.
From customer. Because many customers.
Because of the customers.
Yeah, that's fine. How much?
370.
370 ka. 370.
Yeah, 270.
Ano ba ito?
$1? $100.
Another setup. 500. This one? 500. Alright.
500.
More. I have 120.
60, 120 ako.
20.
Yan na sa'yo, sir.
Alright. Oh.
And this is mine.
Uy, nalitan na yung coins ko ah. 30 na yan ah. Hindi ko pwede yan ah.
120 na lang. 120. Okay.
May pang shopping pa tayo.
Mahal kita.
Sa kaya ka.
Yun.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Yan. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ubos pera ni Mami. Ay, ni Crisel pala. Ubos pera ni Crisel. But I'm happy to serve you. Mission accomplished.